Hey guys, welcome to bbaliFit. I'm excited to announce that we're launching a new website, bbaliFit.com. On the website, we'll post fitness-related content that makes more sense to read than to put into a video. We're also launching a 2020 20-day fitness challenge, and you can find that on the new website. And it's a comprehensive workout program that walks you through a warm-up and a set of workouts every day, and you'll be spending an average of around 30 to 45 minutes. There's a chart that you can use to make it easier to follow. There's two different options that we recommend that you take for this challenge. Option 1, we include a set of guidelines that has habits and routines you can incorporate into your lifestyle to maximize the results you see at the end of the 20 days. Option 2 is to follow the workout program as is. I think that the most important thing you can do is to start getting into the habit of regularly exercising. So we'll start there. After the challenge, you can tag us on Instagram at bbaliFit to let us know how you did. I'll see you guys soon for more fitness related content. Hope you check out the site.